me, Julie E. Thanks for joining me, and I'm really excited to get started. This premiere is a collaboration with a wonderful artist that I got to know through live chats in other premieres and live YouTube art shows and stuff, and then she started joining us just recently on the Artist Haven channel for Wednesday nights lives, Artapalooza, multi-artist collaboration show. And she's just really sweet, and I really love her. She's really cool, and she does really beautiful artwork too. And that's Angie Mason, and we are doing a East meets West collaboration. We're both going to be using 12 by 16 inch canvases, and she's going to be using Southwestern colors. I'm going to be using coastal theme colors. Coastal theme colors, a bit kind of hard to distinguish from East Coast or West Coast coastal colors, right? So my colors are based on the Maryland Blue Crab. It has got some pretty gorgeous colors to it. It's got reds, it's got blues, it's kind of got some greenish sandy colors to it and stuff. So that's what my colors are based on, is the Maryland Blue Crab. And yeah, after this, let's head on over to Angie, but let's get started. Let me bring you down to the canvas, get my hair up, get my apron on, and we'll get to painting. And I'll talk to you more while I'm doing that. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I'm using a new to me pouring medium. It is Floetrol, 80 grams of Floetrol, 40 grams of paint, 30 grams of water, and 10 grams of GAC 800. So I did a little test piece first just to see how it would dry. It dried pretty darn good, so that's what we're going with. And yeah, so let's go over the colors inspired by our Maryland Blue Crab. First, we've got Iridescent Bronze Fine by Golden Fluid Acrylic. They're all going to be Golden Fluid Acrylics. So let me tweak back the recipe a little bit. The 80 40 30 10 mixture was for my Artist Loft Flow White, and then for the fluid acrylics it was what did I use? I used 40 grams of Floetrol and 10 grams of paint and 5 grams of GAC 800 and 5 grams of water. That's what I used for my colors. Okay, so clear that up. Okay, so we did the Iridescent Bronze Fine. Then we've also got Iridescent Gold Fine by Golden. We have Payne's Gray and Turquoise Phthalo, Teal, Pyrrole Red, and in the Payne's Gray I added a few drops of Golden's Carbon Black. So, alright, now I'm going to do a split base coat, half of it white, half of it teal. And I hope it works out. I haven't done a Dutch pour in forever, and I haven't done one with this recipe, so alright, let's get going. I'll put some music on for you while I do this stuff.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Much better. I had to work for that one. Holy cow. It is pretty. Let me check the back side here. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Yeah, need a little bit of blue right there. There we go. All right. Muy bueno. Muy bueno. Yes, I love this. Oh my goodness. Little spot right there on that side missing. A little bit right here. Again. Over that corner a little better. There we go. Alrighty. Awesome. There it be. My Maryland crab inspired Dutch pour, and I hope it dries okay because I think it's beautiful. Oh my god, I just love this. Like I said, I had to work for it, but wow, I'm loving it. Really loving it. Okay, we'll be back for dry results. Hi guys, here are the dry results, and I absolutely love it. So, I hope you liked it too. If you haven't already, please go check out Angie Mason, Fluid Art. And until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!